The world's best-selling pickup truck holds that position for a reason and certainly doesn't need some special introduction. And with the 2025 model year that currently sits at dealer lots, you definitely can't go wrong, but if you're willing to wait for a bit more, you could really hit a jackpot with the next year's version because it brings some really important upgrades. Check out 6 reasons you should wait for the 2026 Ford F-150. Number 6. Street Performance F-150. The company just revived the Lobo nameplate with the Maverick, creating a street-focused performance pickup that captured attention with its sporty design and enhanced driving dynamics. That was just the beginning. Ford is now preparing to give the F-150 the full Lobo treatment, and the results are going to reshape what we expect from a performance truck. Spy photographers have already captured prototypes of the 2026 F-150 Lobo in testing, and the visual changes are striking. The front fascia gets a more aggressive lower air dam, while side skirts run the length of the truck for an athletic stance. The real eye-catcher is the set of 22-inch black wheels wrapped in street-oriented Bridgestone Alenza tires, a combination that no current F-150 offers. But the Lobo isn't just about looks. Ford has a stable of powerful engines to choose from, including the Raptor's 450 horsepower twin-turbo V6 and even the Raptor R's 720 horsepower supercharged V8. Of course, we won't exclude the possibility to see an upgraded version of the 5-liter Coyote either. That would be something. One way or another, the fact that they're developing a street-focused F-150 means serious performance is coming. This represents Ford's return to the performance truck segment. The 2026 F-150 Lobo is going to offer something no current truck can: the perfect blend of daily usability and weekend performance that made the Lightning a legend. Number 5. Top-notch work capabilities. The F-150 has always set the standard for work capability, and the 2026 model is going to raise that bar even higher. Ford is engineering the new F-150 to deliver exceptional towing and payload capacity across every single trim level and configuration. The numbers speak for themselves. The 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 is going to deliver an impressive 13,500 pounds of towing capacity, while the 5-liter V8 will support up to 12,900 pounds. These aren't just theoretical numbers, they represent real-world capability that translates to confidence when you're hooking up that heavy trailer or boat. Payload capacity is equally impressive, with the 3.5-liter EcoBoost offering up to 2,440 pounds and the 5-liter V8 providing up to 2,225 pounds. This means you can load up the bed with construction materials, camping gear, or whatever your job demands without worrying about exceeding limits. But capability goes beyond raw numbers. Ford is enhancing the entire towing experience with advanced technology like Pro Trailer Backup Assist, Pro Trailer Hitch Assist, and the Smart Trailer Tow Connector. These systems work together to make hooking up, maneuvering, and towing feel effortless, even for drivers who don't tow regularly. The 2026 F-150 is being engineered to handle whatever work throws at it, from construction sites to farm duties to weekend adventures. Ford understands that truck buyers need confidence in their vehicle's capability, and the 2026 model will deliver that with pleasure. Number 4. Interior. Lately, Ford has been transforming the F-150's cabin into a technology showcase while maintaining the rugged functionality that truck buyers demand. The 2026 model is going to continue in the same way, with further updates to both design and features that will set new standards in the full-size pickup segment. The tech revolution started with the screens. Ford is implementing updates to the infotainment system that will enhance responsiveness and expand connectivity options. The interface is going to be more intuitive, the graphics sharper, and the overall user experience significantly improved. The current F-150 already impresses with its 12-inch digital instrument cluster and 12-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The cabin features robust physical controls that work even with gloves, while higher trims add premium touches like a 14-speaker Bang & Olufsen audio system and wireless charging pad. The layout balances modern technology with practical functionality, ensuring everything is within easy reach of the driver. Cab configurations remain diverse to meet different needs. Regular cab models seat 3 across a bench, while Super Cab versions add rear doors and seating for 6 total. Super Crew models provide full-size rear doors and spacious rear seating that makes entering and exiting the cabin effortless for all passengers. The bed options are equally flexible. All F-150 models use beds that measure 21.4 inches deep and 51.1 inches wide, with length options of 5.5, 6.5, and 8 feet. Number 3. Powertrain. The 2026 F-150 is going to offer the most diverse powertrain lineup in the full-size pickup segment, ensuring there's an engine option perfectly suited for every type of buyer and use case. Ford's approach focuses on providing choice rather than limiting options. The entry point is the 325 horsepower twin-turbocharged 2.7-liter V6, delivering an ideal balance of power and fuel efficiency. This engine proves that smaller displacement doesn't mean compromised capability. It provides plenty of torque for daily driving and light towing while returning impressive fuel economy numbers. For traditional truck buyers, the 5-liter V8 produces 400 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque. This naturally aspirated engine delivers that unmistakable V8 sound and the linear power delivery that many truck enthusiasts prefer. It's the choice for buyers who want proven technology and the reliability that comes with simpler engine design. The 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 offers another 400 horsepower but with 500 pound-feet of torque, making it ideal for heavy towing and hauling. This engine demonstrates how modern forced induction can deliver V8-level performance with better fuel efficiency. The PowerBoost hybrid represents the future of truck powertrains. Combining a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 with a 47-horsepower electric motor, it produces 430 horsepower and an impressive 570 pound-feet of torque. The hybrid doesn't just deliver power, it extends range to a remarkable 704 miles on a single tank while providing ProPower onboard capability for job sites and camping. Every powertrain pairs with Ford's 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and optimal gear ratios for both performance and efficiency. Whether you choose rear-wheel or four-wheel drive, the F-150 adapts to your specific needs and driving conditions. Number 2. Most versatile pickup truck. The F-150 is America's best-selling truck for good reason. It offers more configurations and capabilities than any competitor. Ford has built this reputation over decades by understanding that truck buyers have incredibly diverse needs and preferences. The versatility starts with the sheer number of available variants. Different cab styles accommodate everything from solo work duties to large family adventures. Multiple bed lengths ensure optimal balance between passenger space and cargo capacity. The powertrain options span from efficient 6-cylinders to high-performance V8s, giving buyers the exact capability they need without paying for power they won't use. Trim levels range from basic work trucks to luxury models that rival premium SUVs in comfort and features. Optional packages allow further customization, ensuring every F-150 can be tailored to specific requirements. Whether you need maximum towing capacity, off-road capability, or fuel efficiency, there's an F-150 configuration that fits. The 2026 model is going to expand this versatility even further with new variants and capability options that address emerging customer needs. Ford recognizes that the truck market continues evolving, and they're positioning the F-150 to meet those changing demands. Current offerings already demonstrate this versatility. Work-focused models provide maximum payload and towing with durable interiors and practical features. Luxury trims offer leather seating, premium audio systems, and advanced technology. Off-road variants include specialized suspension, skid plates, and terrain management systems. Each configuration serves specific purposes while maintaining the F-150's core strengths. This approach means buyers don't have to compromise or settle for a truck that's close to what they need. The F-150 lineup provides exact matches for virtually every truck buying scenario, from commercial fleets to weekend warriors to luxury-focused buyers who want capability with comfort. Number 1. Unbeatable Value. When evaluating the 2026 F-150, the sticker price tells only part of the value story. Ford has engineered an ownership proposition that goes far beyond the initial purchase, creating value that compounds over the years of ownership. The F-150 is going to remain competitively priced against rivals, often matching or undercutting competitors while offering more standard equipment and capability. But the real value emerges in areas that many buyers don't consider until they experience them firsthand. Resale value represents one of the F-150's strongest advantages. Ford's truck maintains its worth better than virtually any competitor, protecting your investment whether you keep it for 3 years or 13. This isn't accidental. It's the result of proven reliability and sustained demand that creates a strong secondary market. The service network is unmatched in the industry. No matter where work or adventure takes you, qualified Ford technicians are nearby with the knowledge and parts to keep your truck running. This accessibility translates to less downtime and lower maintenance costs compared to less common vehicles. Parts availability is another hidden advantage. The F-150's popularity means replacement parts are abundant, accessible, and competitively priced. Whether you need routine maintenance items or major components, the supply chain ensures quick availability and reasonable costs. Ownership means joining a community of builders, adventurers, and workers who rely on their F-150s daily. This translates to shared knowledge through online forums, job site conversations, and a support network that makes ownership easier and more rewarding. With the enhancements coming for 2026, Ford is strengthening an already compelling value proposition, but it's not the only one. Check out this video about the next generation 2026 Chevy Silverado, which you can now see on the screen. GM is preparing a new generation of V8 engines that defy modern industry trends and deliver what truck buyers really want: